Here we have a 1995 Sea-Doo Sportster jet boat. Right now it has a bad engine, so we're going to tear this machine, jet boat, down into parts, list the parts on eBay. If you need parts for a machine like this, give us a call at 218-844-4968. As you can see, it's pretty, it's clean. Steering wheel is nice, the hood is really nice, non-faded. Does have a crack there in the steering wheel, but anyways, lot number 1316A. There's the controls there. The seats are fair. You know, we'll sell the seats if you want to buy the seats. There's the front seat, the front pad. Basically everything on this boat is for sale, including the trailer. Rear step, rear grab handle, chrome vents, reverse gate, reverse cable, jet pump, drain plugs. And then we'll take a look in the engine compartment here. The electronics box is sold. The engine there. Pretty clean. So if you need parts, just give us a call at 218-844-4968 or on the web at martosmotorsports.com.